this is a short video. I'm going to show you how to use this snap to needle button. This is just one use. Where I use it sometimes, there may be other uses. Anyway, this is really useful. I've set up I've defined the block, I've put the pattern in place, and on this quilt, I'm going to be repeating this pattern over and over and over again in multiple blocks. I'm going to keep it at this size because it fits in there with a little bit of leeway round the edge. So I know if the blocks aren't all exactly the same, this pattern will fit in them all. So I'm not going to copy the pattern and have multiple patterns on the screen. I'm only going to use this one pattern. So let's pretend I've stitched it out. I'm bringing my machine needle, and you can see it's coming up to the center of the pattern. I'm going to hit my snap to needle button. Green line appears. Now I'm going to disappear off the screen, but I'm now going to, as I move my machine, I'm going to carry that pattern with me across to my next block. Now I have to pan across, so I'm going to do pan. There is the pattern. I don't have to define the block. All I've done is mark the center of my block with a little chalk dot or a little chalk cross, so I know when my needle is over that dot, the pattern is in exactly the right place and it'll stitch out nicely. Now notice the green circle has gone around the center, so my machine is not hooked to that pattern anymore and it'll stay exactly where it is. So when I've stitched that one out, I'll just come back, I'll pick up the pattern with my needle, I'll move my machine across to my next block, drop it in place, stitch it out. So I'm only using that one pattern over and over and over again. So snap to needle is a great way to move patterns on your screen and on your quilt. Okay? Hope that helps. Thank you.